Hello and welcome to the discussion on problem statements. So these videos are created in order to explain the problem statements which are given in various programming subjects. So our third problem statement which we are going to discuss today is on dictionaries. So let us go to that. Okay, so this is the problem statement third. This is based on a dictionaries application. So for solving this problem statement, you will require to use the data type dictionary in Python. Okay. So over here it is given a hypothetical situation is given, and there is a professor and he wants to find out the topper of the class. Okay. So every student is appearing for three subjects: physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and they have marks of physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Suppose there are 10 students in the class, so uh, Ram's details about physics, chemistry, maths, then Sita's details about physics, chemistry, maths, then John's details about physics, chemistry, maths. In this way, the input will be given, and your aim will be to find out the topper of the class. So the person who is topper of the class will have the highest average. So you have to add the marks of physics, chemistry, and maths, and then uh, display that who has scored the highest marks in like highest average. Okay, so over here a hypothetical situation is given that there is a professor and he will give you this award of his fountain pen if you solve this problem and so on. Okay, so let me just explain you how the dictionary and everything will look like. Okay, so your basic dictionary will look like this. Okay, it will be something like this: scores. It will be a two-level dictionary. So the name of student will be the key of your main dictionary, and the value will again be a dictionary which will have these three things: the marks of physics, out of, you can decide whether they are out of 100 or out of 50. Okay, so I am taking marks as out of 50, 100. Okay, and then okay, so this is the first value. Okay, so in order to make it more readable, I am uh, writing it like this. So this is the first student, Ram, and Ram is the key, and his value is again a dictionary. So this is a two-level dictionary. The value is again a dictionary with keys physics, chemistry, and math. Okay, again now second student. Okay, so I am taking some random names, and again its value will also be a dictionary which will be again the marks of physics, chemistry, and maths. Okay, so suppose the marks are, I'm changing the marks. Okay, so this is the second student of the class, and suppose this is the third student of the class, and she is having some marks like this. Okay, so in this way the original dictionary will look like. So I'm giving you a hint of how to solve this problem. So from this dictionary, you take the input of this dictionary first. You think about how you are going to take the input of the dictionary based on the class discussions. Then if you convert this dictionary into something like this, okay, how? Okay, something like this. Two level dictionary into single level dictionary, where the keys will be again this, and average will be the value will be average. Okay, something like this. So you think about how you are going to convert this dictionary into this dictionary, and once you convert it into this dictionary, then you have to find the key with maximum. Okay, so this is how your problem statement will like the solution will work like. The first step will be input two level dictionary, which was the first one, two level dictionary, which is in our case which is scores. Okay, then you have to convert the two level dictionary scores into single level dictionary, which is our average. Okay, convert this and then find the key with maximum value in average. Okay, so you have to find that in the dictionary average, so that will be your final output. Okay, so this is how your problem statement will uh, like move to the solution. Okay, so I hope you understood this. This is your problem statement number 3 based on dictionary.